But I think I'm going to start with the Earl Grey now. I think so. And then we do the rooibos, and then we do the normal Reaper tea. Actually, I would like to know how this would taste if it's like in an iced tea. But we will do that on another day. But yeah, let's try this Earl Grey. It is just normal tea with some sugar. I have to put sugar, and we're gonna taste this one, the Earl Grey. Here we go. Cheers. Oh, yo, you taste the tea, but it hits you immediately. But it's a nice tea. I love this tea. But it's in your throat. It is not in your mouth. It is in the back. Your throat. Everything is. Oh, this is hot, man. Oh, this one is gonna be. This one is gonna be very hot. But yo, it hits your throat, eh? Big time.